Just spotted one of the oldest playground in Singapore. So look at that. It's the Dragon Playground. So it's not been very common right today in Singapore. I believe there's only two of them. One is in Toa Payoh, and this is the second one in MacPherson. Slightly smaller scale, I think, but this is preserved for like I'm not too sure, like 40 years. I'll leave the comments about how old is this Dragon Playground, but it's kind of really interesting. You know, the basic fun when kids had 40 years ago. I'm not too sure how long is this going to be, but it's good that the government has preserved this playground for some memory sakes. So let's have one memory shot of this Dragon Playground today. Right. So today I'm using the Leica Q2 Monochrom with a red filter. And what's great about this red filter, I believe I've mentioned about in my previous videos that I like that blue skies to turn really black and dark. So there we have it. Let's try with a wider aperture. It just I can't think of any creative composition. Perhaps we can go up to this tiny staircase meant for small feet, like definitely not for adults. It's really small. So we have a lookout tower right here, and a hole here where you can peep through. Oh, hi! And here we have the slide. It is made of stone, forever lasting. It's going to wear off your butts anyway. So it's a very nice shot here on the staircase, spiral staircase. How about if we walk down? Here we can take a shot from here. The iconic Dragon Playground in MacPherson. Here I want to get the tree in between the two buildings, so let's do it. Yeah. My feet are this way. Yep, that's interesting.
you're wondering where is this place, this is the Van Gogh void deck at MacPherson. The entire void deck at this building here has been painted with all the art pieces from Van Gogh. It looks so beautiful, and if you've not been here, I bet you probably have to make a trip here. It's really interesting.